Hi, so I'm here to, here's a quick demo on this blind contour continuous line drawing. And I'll do a couple of them here. The idea is to really start out in a spot. So I'm looking, anyway, so, and just carefully move your eye through through the drawing. Oops, I lifted it up. Sometimes I'm tracing over lines multiple times. To kind of get back where I want to be. So I'm going relatively slow. And but I'm being really careful to look at my subject, and I'm trying to like tie all my lines together. And I'm changing my pressure on my, that I'm putting on maybe when they're a little more important or a little bit darker, I'm putting some stronger emphasis on it. But the goal for me is just to really spend some time looking at what I'm drawing. Okay. Okay, so that's the first older woman. I'll do some of the shoes here. Let's see. And honestly, you can really draw anything that's out there if you look. And that, to me, that's like a major thing about drawing. You learn so much by looking. And get some shoelaces in here. And I'm not going fast. I just want to make sure I get all the information. Okay, and I'm going to stop there. Well, I should probably put the back of the heel in there. Okay, that's good. Then I'm going to jump over to the other shoe. And I lifted my pencil because I'm just like changing subjects. You don't have to. But here, that's one thing I noticed on all of the, well, on like 95% of these assignments was that you're kind of missing the, well, I don't think you looked very well, is what it came down to. I think you could do better. And so that's why I'm going through this kind of again. So this is the second time. And so you can expect some of your assignments to be so-so as far as the grade, because I want more lines on it. It's not, I mean, if I was to do these shoes simply and quickly, but I don't really want that. I want a little more investigation. I hope this helps. I hope this, I mean, I could do another one. I kind of feel like that's enough. So please, yeah, please spend some more time on these. I'll do one more. This one I feel like might be a little bit easier because this is the third woman in the assignment. Simply because there's like this big group of, I'm not looking at my piece, but there's a lot of hair and then the smaller face. So I am, and the idea is to draw the shapes as you see them. Like eyes rarely look like this, right? They like, so see how it's like a perfect almond, where I'm drawing this lady's eyes and her eye looks like, and it's a little bit straighter along the bottom. There's another lid at the top. See how it's curved a lot more than the bottom? And then she has a lot of dark here, and her pupil touches the top and bottom, and then this is all kind of colored in, and that's, it's not, and she does have some lines down here, and then it's surrounded by some glasses and the frames of the glasses, which are a little bit darker here. And then here's her eyebrow. So don't draw what you think you know. Draw what you see. I need to do this lady's eye. I just did it down there. Really go slow and look at the mouth and the shape, and then I see these little creases, so I'm going to lighten my pencil up and take those creases in. And then she does have like a collar. Oops, I lifted up. And then her sleeve, and then there's like, okay, so spend some more time on it. All right, that's all I wanted to share. Thanks. I'm going to go through this assignment 1, which is a blind contour continuous drawing. So kind of look at these, and my initial thought is, okay, this looks all right, but I think it could have been pushed a little further, as far as detail, as far as there's a lot more to the hand than um, than than just this, right? There's more lines, there's more detail, and so it goes for all three of those. I don't know what this is, but it feels like they spent a little more time on that, which I appreciate. I don't know what that is. Might be a hand, but as I'm looking at like the fingers, I feel like they ought to be shaped more like fingers. So in other words, slow down and follow the curve of that finger down. Make your hand follow your eye. There's more to it than this. And I feel like these are like extra fast and less observant. This is really good on the hair and perhaps on the eyes. I think that, but there's only one here, so please make sure all three are get uploaded and can be seen. I think again more can be done on with the detail. There's a lot of detail in a hand. Okay, and this is a nice chair, and a honestly nice shoe. Maybe a little more can be done on this. A little more on this, a little more detail, a little more time. Slow down. Don't look at your drawing. Have your eye follow the contour of the hand slowly, and then have your hand exactly follow what your eye sees. Okay, so those are good. They're a little quick. I think this one, here's why I like this one, is because it has the shape of, I mean, not that the overall thing, it's a blind contour, right? Looks like there's like a big gash in the hand and blah, blah, blah. But if you look close, like here's the knuckle, and then the second knuckle, third knuckle, and this all looks like it's in the shape of a finger. The knuckle goes up and down, and it's rounded here. So this feels correct. It feels like someone is looking at the hand and drawing what they see. Same with this one. And same with that one. It has, I mean, see, although it's distorted, the hand is being analyzed and looked at, right? This is an issue of not giving this project permission for the public to view it. This is kept on private. So I showed how to do this in the video. You go into the posted item itself, the post, and you go to the little gear icon, and in there you would click public. Okay, all I can do is give this one a 0. There's nothing I can see. Okay, good. Slow down a bit more so we can see what your observation, right? Slow down, slow down. Same here, slow down a bit. I mean, I think that one has gotten better, but it still needs to really slow down and record what's going on. This is good. I only see one page. And this is good, although I think there's more to the shoe than this. More to the face, more to the hand. Yeah, I think this is good. I think this person cheated. Just because, you know, it's rare that the eyes fall right in the middle of the glasses if you're doing it blind, if you cannot see it. That's my take on that. It's okay to go blind on it, right? So you cannot see. Okay, some glasses. Shoe. Okay, so again, really slow down and look at every shape of the shoe. Have your eye follow the contour of the shoe. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give out some poor grades on this just so everyone knows. Not on this particular assignment, I mean on this drawing, but on all the ones we've looked at so far, a majority of them. Permission issue. Because I want you to do it again and do it better on this. Okay, now I only see one drawing here. Okay, I hope this helped. You're welcome to revise and resubmit for regrading. Okay, thanks everyone.